Hi guys, it's Evensron here. Welcome back to my channel. I am finally switching to M2 MacBook Pro Max. So this is not for clickbait. You see the title. I am finally switching. As you guys can see, this laptop behind me, it's an HP, it's a Windows laptop. So I have been a Windows user my whole life. In fact, I've never owned a MacBook or a Linux computer, but since I'm in technology field, I have used macOS in computer labs, stuff like that at work as well, but I've never purchased one. Roughly 4 years ago, I bought this HP laptop with Core i5 8th gen Intel processor. When I bought it, it came with 16 gigabyte of RAM. I upgraded it to 64 gig, and I was hoping that would be enough for video editing, because at that time I was planning on starting my kids' YouTube channel, which is called Ivania and Evan. You guys can look that up. And also I was planning in the future to start my own. But then don't even get me started on how bad this laptop performed. Since I have an iPhone, I kept editing videos on my iPhone using the professional version of the InShot software, and sometimes I use iMovie software. I would start in iMovie and finish in different software such as the professional version of InShot. When the new M1 MacBook Pros came out in 2021, I wasn't ready and I procrastinated a lot, which, you know, the reason why I delayed purchasing one. So I stuck to editing videos on my phone. In fact, this video is being shot on my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it will be edited using my iPhone. I have my professional camera, but I just use my phone. It's more convenient for now until my new MacBook comes. But the cons of doing that, it's time consuming. It takes longer. The screen is smaller. You get carried away easily. Someone can call you. You can just jump to a different app and forget you were editing something. This new M2 14 and 15-inch MacBook Pros that just came out with HDMI 2.1 that supports up to 8K. You can also do 4K at 244 Hz. This is super awesome that I can take advantage of the higher refresh rate, since I have this gigabyte gaming 4K gaming monitor that can do up to 144 Hz. So this is really the best time for me, a great time for me to go ahead and buy a MacBook Pro, especially for video editing and photo editing, stuff like that. Another impressive update is that the new M2 MacBook Pro's battery life can last up to 22 hours, depending on how you use it, obviously. So I guess it's also a good time for me to upgrade my internet modem to take advantage of the new Wi-Fi 6E built-in antenna inside this M2 MacBook Pros for faster Wi-Fi internet. I use wired connectivity, but sometimes if you're on Wi-Fi, you need a higher speed. Now let's jump to a side-by-side comparison of the M2 Pros. Before we jump to the comparison, what are you waiting for? Just hit the like button and even subscribe. I'd appreciate that. As you guys can see, the design hasn't changed. It still has the notch. So here, these are the M2s. This is 14-inch and 16-inch, same color. So you get space gray or silver. The 14-inch starts at $19.99. This is the same price as the M1 started when it came out. It's the same for 16-inch as well. That starts at $2,500. If you compare now, you can get up to 12-core CPU. You get 2 more core upgrades and up to 38 core GPU. I don't need all of that. I think for me, I'll get 30 GPU. And you can get up to 96 unified memory. This is a lot. For me, I think 64, that's more than enough for me. And you can get up to 8 terabyte of storage. For my first one, I'll probably get 1 terabyte. For me, I'm getting the 14-inch. I think the 14-inch is more than enough for me, guys. 14-inch with 12-core CPU and 30-core GPU, as well as the 64 gigabyte of unified memory. That's more than enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Always remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to help more people watch it. And let me know what you think in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.